What if I tell you there's a marketing way which generates 55x results for every dollar spent? And while emails has only 20% open rate, this has 96% open rates. I am talking about SMS marketing, where people open and read messages less than 3 minutes after receiving them. Hi, I am Basant here from SaaS Guru, and today's video I am going to talk about a SMS marketing platform which is recently listed on the AppSumo with the lifetime deal. So in today's video I am going to talk about this SMS marketing tool where you can just add your contact details, and it has the integrations with so many good platforms. Like if you have the Shopify store and have the numbers of your contacts from the customers, then you can instantly integrate and add them here. You can integrate with your webinar customers because it has this Zoom integration. You can integrate with the Google Sheet, you can integrate with the Google Contacts, it has the API, it has the WooCommerce. So all these good integrations available to adding your contact details. Then it has the dashboard where lets you create beautifully and the most easiest way to craft your SMS. You can add the different personalizing attributes about your customers like their full name, company, year, email, register, birthday, all this stuff, and easiest way you can craft the message. Like here it has the URL section where you can link or add the URLs in the short link because it has the custom domain integrations available, and you can even add the emojis here. Okay, then in the automation section you can just automate your messages. In the SMS marketing is the really good way like we do in the email marketing. You can craft your message in the welcome series. You can automate or create the automation for e-commerce about the products, about the branding, about the offers. It has the abandoned cart recovery automation. It has the shipping, post purchase, all these automations with this single click you can import and the add in your SMS marketing. Then if I go to the settings here, you can check it out. You can add the different numbers from which you can start the SMS marketing, and don't worry, it will also give you the some numbers you can use it from here. And this is the test number, by the way, I'm talking about. You can add the different senders here and you can check it out for which country these senders are approved, and if the any country is not available you have to request that. You can see for all these countries my brand and my name here is the approved for SMS marketing. This is the short URLs where you can create your custom domain and start creating the short links in your messages. This is the API token. Suppose you are using any third-party SMS marketing platform, again you can use its API to connect with that third party and start sending out the SMS. So this tool is the Instasent, right now available on the AppSumo starting from the just $69. And if I scroll down below, you can read out use personalized SMS campaigns and the marketing automations to instantly reach customers and boost sales with ease. It is like the email marketing but more efficient. So let me go to the plans and features and show you all the credits and the limits you are going to get. So in the single tier 1 plan of the $69, you are going to get the 200 SMS credit per month, and this is only for the US and the Canada. By the way, here you can connect with the and get the number for the different countries as well. Like if I go to here on the senders, you can check it out. For the different countries it has the different plans available that you have to pay. Okay, but in the US and the Canada country it is the listed here on the lifetime deal. Okay, so if you want to do the SMS marketing, you can get started with this SMS credit. Then you will get the one toll-free number. This will be the from US or the Canada. You can select 5 SMS alphanumeric sender names. Like I have set up here the my brand name here, but you can set up with the numeric and the alpha means some characters in there. Okay, then the 5 projects, 5 users, and the 3 integrations. You can integrate either with the Activecampaign, either with the Shopify, either with the WooCommerce. So this is the limits you are going to get in this single tier plan. So you can go with up to the 5 tier plan here, and in the highest tier plan you will get the 1400 SMS credit per month, 5 toll-free numbers either from the USA or the Canada, or you can just get from both. Then the unlimited SMS alphanumeric sender brands you can create here, unlimited projects, unlimited users, and the unlimited integration. So if you have the go with the highest tier plan, I suggest go with the tier 5 because here you will get the unlimited integrations for all of your brands, for the all of your future users. Now let me give you a detailed demo for the features and the overview for its dashboard. Okay, so once you got its lifetime deal, this is the dashboard you are going to log in, and here on the dashboard first you are going to see the insights or the performance and the shortcuts. To create the campaigns, you have to go to the campaigns, but before creating the campaigns you have to add the contact details from whom you want to send out the messages. To add the contacts, you have to go to the audience. Under that you can see the contacts, so just go to the contacts and here you can check it out. This is the just one contact I have added myself to give you the demo. So how you can add the contacts, you have to go to the data sources here and you can check it out. These are all the data sources you can use to add the contacts. You want to add the manually, you can use this one. If you have the spreadsheet or the CSV file, you can use that. If you have your Shopify store and you have the your customers contact details, you can integrate with the Shopify. If you have the Activecampaigns and the Zoom, you are doing the meetings or the webinars, ask people about their contact details, just simply click one time here on the Zoom integrations and all of your Zoom customers or the audience contact details will be added. So many great ways to integrate and add the contact details here. So once you got your contact details, now let's go to the campaign and let me show you how you can set up your first campaign. So setting up is really easy. Let me show you. Just click here on the new setup and here it will ask you the name. Like I'm going to add about my service one. So this is the just demo name I have given, and after that what it will ask you to select the audience. Okay, so let me add the now it will ask you to select the audience and you can see it is showing you. So based on the segmentations you can select the audience. I'm going to go with the all audiences. Save. Okay, now here on the next step you are going to craft your message. The best part what I liked about the Instasent, you can also enable multi-language message. If you enable this one, your message will be the automatically translated to that targeted people country. Okay, so here is your sender. You can see I have added this sender, but if you can't right now check out your sender details, you have to click here on the add sender identity. Okay, and here you have to add your sender details and now it will be the start appearing here. Now here we are going to start crafting our first mail, like hi. Now I'm going to add the personalized attribute. You have to click here and now you can click here on the full name and now the full name of that person or the contact detail will be appeared. You can see in the real time, you can check it out your message demo. Now what are the other things you can do along with adding the these personalized attributes? You can also add this unsubscribe button. Suppose any people want to unsubscribe this your SMS marketing, so you can add this compliance. Just simple click and this unsubscribe button will be added. And now you want to add the link, you can also do that. This is the link URL adding option and you can see it is going to automatically sort your URL with this default domain here. But if you want to add your custom domain with your own branding, you can also do that clicking here on the customize button. Don't worry, I will also show you in the upcoming part how you can add your custom domains, and you can also add your emojis here. Okay, so like adding attribute is really simple. I want to add the attribute for that people country name. Okay, so I will go here, I will select here like let me see, you can see this is the country. I will select that and now it is added, and in the real time the country will be updated in the message. So that is the really easiest way to crafting the message. So once it's done, let me click here on the save changes, and this is the delivery part. You can schedule your campaign, you can start as soon as possible. Okay, so this is all the configuration part. Once everything is done, let me click here on the save changes, and now for based on the contacts or the how many people you are sending out this message for the campaign, it is going to give you the code, means the pricing, how much it is going to charge you. So let me click here on the get code. If you are from the lifetime deal, don't worry, and if you are only targeting the USA and the Canada people, you are going to get the credits here. So the charges will be deduct from your credits. So right now I am sending out this campaign to any different country, so it is going to give me the campaign price. For one people it is asking me this. So right now what I have to do, I have to add the funds, and in the real time you can also check it out your fund details here. Okay, for different countries, what are the SMS charges? Under the your profile icon, if you go to the billing, here you can see the SMS calculator. Here you can check it out for all the different countries what are the SMS charges for their different plans. Okay, so based on that you have to add the fund and start your campaign. Okay, so I have showed you how you can set up your campaign. So once everything is done, this is the next section that is the really mind-blowing, and it is the automation. So in the automations, what you can do, you can create the automation for the different kind of the stuff. For example, if the contact is the new, you can add them in the welcome automation, and it's going to send out for welcoming that person. So let me open this one, and here you can check it out, the message. So here it is going to ask you the few things like it looks like there is no available data source for automation. You need to add the data source. True, yes. Have any value? Done. And now this is your message for the invitation, and with this single click I can just start this automation. Now let me show you other automations as well. Let me get back. So based on the different category, we have the automation like for the e-commerce products, for the abandoned cart recovery, we have the post purchase, we have the shippings, we have the conversions, we have the review and the referral, and this is the webhook, by the way. And based on the event sources, we can also select the automation. Like if we have the Shopify store, simply click here on the Shopify, and now it is going to show you all of the automations for the Shopify. Let me go to the all, and these are all the automations for the Shopify store. If you want to set up the automation for your Activecampaign contacts, you have the data source right now here. So just select the Activecampaign, and now it is going to show you all the automations for the Activecampaign. Like this is the convert subscribers, no order in the 30 days. Suppose any of your contact didn't order in the last 30 days, so this is the automation. Let me open up and let's see what are the steps, what are the messages it has in this automation. So you can see it here. Let me click on the done, and it has the one message here, and this is the message. You can add more messages in this automation as well. So that is the most easiest way. Then you can enable this multi language messages. You can select your sender, and with this again single click you can activate this automation here. So you can see this is the single click. If I click here, now it is active. Okay, now let's go to the next section, that is the audience. So under the audience, I have already told you can manage and check out your contacts. You can get their informations like the name, mobile number, email address, and in the segmentation you can segment your audience based on the different criteria like just added or the registered contacts, just added in the list, having the emails. Like let me give you the demo how you can also create a custom segment. So just click here on the create segment. Okay, and now it is going to open up, and based on the different things, like I want to target the people with the specific date of birth. Okay, so I'm going to search the birthday, and you can see that this is the birthday segment. If I select this one, now it is going to ask me the date, from this date to this date people I want to target. So this is the really good segment, because now I can send out the SMS to only those people that have the birthday coming for this month. Okay, so that's how you can create this segment. You can also go with the tags. Okay, you have also the lists available. The next thing, we have the data sources from where you can use to connect and the upload your contact details. I have already talked about this. Is the activities, this is the attributes. Now let's go to the insights. So insight, like it is telling you, this is the self-explanatory. So here you can check it out about your audience, like how many contact details you have, your SMS marketing open rate, subscribe rate, all this stuff you can check it out here. Then we have the performance about your campaigns. You can check it out, messages sent, delivered, failed, all this stuff you can check it out here. Then the next and the most important thing is the settings, because here you can check it out your test numbers. You can configure and control your senders if you have the multiple sender, and if you want to customize, delete them, you can do it from here. Okay, so adding the sender is really easy. Like I told you, you have to just click here on the sender, enter your name, like I'm adding company B. Okay, now let me click here on the add sender identity, and now it is going to be added here. So here you can check it out. It is going to show you for which countries this brand name is now already approved. If any of not approved, you have to click here. Okay, and you have to request to be approved. Like it is going to ask you things like the usage description, message sample, traffic, all this stuff, and within the few time it is going to be approved. Then this is the sort links, and here you can connect your custom domains to sort your links within branding of your domain or your name here. So adding that is really simple. Just click here on the add domain for the sort links, and now it is going to ask you the URL name, and you can connected here. That is the really simplest way. Then this is the API token. So again, this is the good way if you are using the any third-party platform to sending out the emails. Just connect with the Instasent, and now you can use its resources, its server, to send out the your SMS or your messages. Okay, so this is the Instasent, and right now SMS marketing is the good way to get started if you are selling your services, selling your orders, physical products, or your digital product. No matter what, you can get started with it here. So this is the right time to get its lifetime deal, because most of the other SMS marketing platforms charge the monthly or the yearly subscription charges, but here you have to only pay the one-time payment of starting from the $69. And somehow if you're not happy with the platform, don't worry, it is also coming with the 60 days money back guarantee. So if you want to check it out, this cool deal, the link will be given in the description. And if you enjoyed this video about the Instasent and the SMS marketing, just let me know in the comments, and I am super excited to start creating more videos like this in the future. Okay, so this is my channel, and here you can check it out more videos on the other AI tools, SaaS tools, comparisons, reviews, all this stuff here. So make sure you also subscribe this channel to stay connected with me. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.